We'll start in 2 to 5 minutes, waiting for the participants to join.
Hello everyone, we'll just start in a minute, waiting for some more participants to join. So this is a repetition of the old webinar that we did 3 days ago. So those who have attended earlier, they might feel it boring. If you want, you can stay, or otherwise this would be a same webinar as it happened 3 days ago. Okay, so almost same. We might discuss some new points also, but higher chance it will be almost same. Okay. Thank you, Ashish Palji. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. We'll just start in 2-3 minutes, waiting for some more participants to join. Right now we have 25 participants. Sure, Shivaji. I will explain you how you can book your free one-to-one training. So no issue. Yeah. We'll just start in 1 minute. We have 47 participants till now. Waiting for some more participants to join. They are joining. Thank you everyone for your precious time that you have joined this webinar. Thank you very much. We will just start in 1 minute, maximum 1 to 2 minutes. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you. Thank you for taking out your time. And yes, Hardik ji, am I visible now? Because I've just started my video. So yeah, am I audible, friend? Am I audible? Everybody can listen me. Thank you, RSG, for confirming. Thank you, everyone. So friends, first of all, thank you everyone for those who have joined on the Sunday and has taken out some time for this webinar. Yes, sir. Swapnil ji will just start. Yeah, thank you. So hope all are doing well, all are doing good in their investments. Okay, we have 55 participants right now. So thank you. So let's start. So a small introduction about me. There's an app, there's a company known as Dynamic Equities Private Limited. I'm associated with that company from last 15 years as a research analyst, and has been studying equity market, mutual fund, debt market, and derivative market. Has been researching from last 15 years on all these things, and it has been great experience. And with most of the client, with lots of learning. So we do fundamental analysis on equity. Those who doesn't, anybody who is joining for the first time, can I know who all are joining for the first time? Most of you. Thank you, Shivaji, Sivangi ji. Okay, great. Mandeep ji. So there are many known faces, there are new people also. So friends, I'll just start. I have all the details of how we have started, what we are doing, what we are going to teach you. Okay, great. There are many new people who have joined. Thank you for showing first trust on us. Thank you for believing and for giving your time. So let's start. So friends, who all are investing in mutual fund? Let me understand that first. Who all are investing in mutual fund? Who all are investing in mutual fund? Okay, Mohinder ji is investing in mutual fund. Atish ji had just started. Ajit ji, yes, okay. Nikhil Shah ji, Kiran ji, Ram Mishra ji is doing investment in mutual fund. So friends, those who have attended earlier webinar, they must be knowing most of the thing. So for those who have attended for the first time, the question is for them. How do you decide on mutual fund? So it's a big question that I'm asking because I would be teaching you how you can decide on investing in a great mutual fund. How can you decide on investing in mutual fund that will give you highest return next year? We'll be doing that, but let me. So RSG is writing past performance based on investment horizon. Okay, then we have taking advice from broker based on CGR 5% rating. Mandeep ji has clearly written no idea, no issue. Sharp ratio randomly as per rating on CRISIL. Return ratio and time. Okay. I have 70 people consulting. That's great, Badri ji. Thank you. Badri ji, consult us and then take a decision. Great. And past performance based on mutual fund manager. So friends, let me throw one more query to you. You must be thinking that taking queries from you, if the webinar is ideally is taking query from those who are listening for those who have come for the webinar. But in this webinar, I will be asking more queries to you. So friends, let me ask one simple query to you. What is that equity mutual fund is made of? मैं इस चीज को हिंदी में भी रिपीट करता हूं कि इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड बनती कैसे? What is the base of equity mutual fund? Okay, Badri ji has written stocks. Anybody else? Stocks, group of stocks plus cash. Okay. Only 3 people has answered this. Anybody else want to answer? How is what is the component of a equity mutual fund? Stocks, economic growth. No, please. Economic growth is not a component. Stocks plus debt, valued stocks. Okay. Okay. Share of diversified companies. Great. So friends, let me come back to my old query that I asked you कि आप लोग investment कैसे करते हैं? So everybody said me that they invest via looking at old history of the companies. Why don't you see stocks? अगर component is stock, अगर stock ही component है, stocks के समूह से अगर कंपनी एक म्यूचुअल फंड क्रिएट होती है, तो हम लोग म्यूचुअल फंड को स्टडी करने के लिए स्टॉक्स क्यों नहीं देखते हैं, उसके फंडामेंटल्स क्यों नहीं देखते हैं, खाली हम लोग प्राइस परफॉर्मेंस के बेसिस पे क्यों लेते हैं? Yes, we will be discussing in English also, sir. We are speaking in both in Hindi and English so that everybody can understand. Okay. So friends, have you ever asked this query to yourself? कि अगर if a equity mutual fund is made of stocks, why don't we analyze the holdings of these companies? Okay. Great then. So have you ever asked, friend, to yourself? I have 85 people who have joined this webinar. Have you ever thought that why are we not querying out, why are not asking this query to ourselves that, और हम लोग क्या करें, what we are looking at past performance, कि अगर कोई भी fund पिछले साल high है, then I'm going to invest in that. Let me give an example that has actually happened with me in 2016. In 2016, if you guys can remember, L&T Emerging Business Fund. Have you heard about this? Have you heard about this mutual fund earlier scheme? L&T Emerging Business Fund was top performing fund in 2015 and 16, and is nowhere today. And it's nowhere today in top. Why it is happening so? HDFC, I think small cap fund was top in 2015 and 16, but it's nowhere today in top. Why it is happening, friend? Why it is happening? It is happening because we are only analyzing on the basis of price performance. We are not analyzing on the basis of holdings of a company. Friends, we need to analyze stocks. It's very important to analyze stock on the basis of holding. Agar aap holding RSG, if you can study holding, you do not require anything else. Fund manager and everything is just inside the holdings. क्योंकि अगर एक कंपनी, एक फंड का बेस ही होल्डिंग है, स्टॉक्स है, so we need to analyze that. Do we agree, friend? Do you agree? If you analyze holdings, then you are through. Anybody? We have 90 people. Yes. So friends, so this is the start of our webinar. We will be teaching you how you can analyze holdings of a mutual fund. So friends, are you wondering? Are you surprised to? Are you thinking like, अगर मुझे होल्डिंग स्टडी करना पड़ेगा एक फंड में, every scheme has 70-80 holdings, it is pathetic. It will take me around 3 days, 4 days to analyze. In fact, more than that. Are we thinking in that line that it might take 3-4 days to study one single scheme, or it will take lesser time? What do you think, friends? Generally, a scheme has 70 to 80 stocks holding. At least 45-50 stocks to hote hi hain, other than a focused fund which has 25 to 30 stocks. So there are 75 to 80 stocks. In fact, some of the funds, some of the schemes has 100 stocks. So okay, those who knows about QBS, they may not answer. Those who don't know. So friends, आपको क्या लगता है कितना टाइम लगना चाहिए 80 90 स्टॉक स्टडी करने में? How much time? We have 87 people right now. If you can respond, long time. Anybody else? Only Kapoor ji is answering 3 to 4 days. Okay, 2 to 3 days. Okay, for one scheme, huh? And we need to analyze. I will show you how many schemes are there. Eternity, long, very long. Girish Dutt-ji, okay. 87 people are there and only 10-15 people are responding. Please respond, friends. You have come up with your very valuable time. It is a time of sleeping in on Sundays, but because of lockdown, most of the people are sleeping on weekday also. So they might not find that they might be thinking that okay, chalo learning karte hain. So friends, impossible to me. Maybe a month. Fully disagree. Okay, Nandi ji, fully disagree. Why, sir? Please answer why you disagree, sir. Very long time. So friends, it would require only 30 seconds to analyze a stock, to analyze a portfolio of a equity mutual fund. Less than a minute. Yes, Giri Kishore ji, that is what I would like to show you how you analyze less than in a minute, friends. Okay, इतना detail understanding हम लोग 1 minute में analyze कर सकते हैं. Now, friends, this is not me talking, huh? So, would you like to see who is the greatest investor of the decade? Is pure, if you can name him. I know everybody knows his name. We have 90 people. I think एक जन तो guess कर ही लेंगे और everybody will guess. Okay, no, Warren Buffett. Thank you, Arun Patel ji. It's Warren Buffett. Every biggest investor, every biggest portfolio manager. You listen to the videos. I have gone through many videos on Indian Damani ji and Rakesh Jhunwala, or it may be Madhusudan Kela, or it may be your anyone, Sunil Singhania, Motilal Oswal, Ramdev Agarwal ji. Everybody is a bhakt of Radha Kishan Damani. In fact, everyone is a bhakt of Warren Buffett. Everybody is a bhakt of Warren Buffett. So he is the greatest investor of all time. He is a greatest investor of all time. Yes, Nandiji, in fact, you can directly invest in equity, not an issue. So Warren Buffett is the greatest investor of all time, friend. So he has found that way of selecting or finding quality stocks then with the help of that, we have made it easy for mutual fund investors also, that they can find equity stocks in equity schemes in a minute. So I will first show you, this is not we are talking that we can analyze any particular scheme in a minute. So friends, what do you say? Which is that company he holds? What is the name of the company that Warren Buffett holds? Anybody from the group? What is the name of the Warren Buffett's company? Hathaway, Berkshire Hathaway. So let me take you to Berkshire Hathaway directly. His website. So Berkshire Hathaway. Okay. So I'm at Berkshire Hathaway. We will click on annual report. If you click on annual report, and if you straight away select 2017 annual report. Yes. Yes, Ashok Tevral. So friends, on his 2017 annual report, if we come to page 25, if we just zoom it up, he's saying this is his acquisition criteria. We'll be discussing that. मैं time का पहले आपको बता दूं what he is writing. He's writing, we are not engaged in unfriendly takeovers. We can promise complete confidentiality and very fast answer customarily within 5 minutes, as whether we are interested or not. He has given his acquisition criteria. We will be discussing this in detail. And this is what I want to show you, friends. He's writing, he can analyze a company, and that to which amount of company you can see with the amount of 5 to 20 billion. We would like to make acquisition in 5 to 20 billion range. इतनी बड़ी investment करते हैं, and they hardly take 5 minutes to decide whether they are going to buy this particular company or not, whether they are going to invest in this particular company or not. So the guru is through. The guru is clear in his mind that what he needs to see. The greatest mind in the world know what they need to see, and they only take 5 minutes, less than a 5 minute, to decide whether they're going to invest in a company or not. In fact, few of us are also taking less than a minute by calling our tip advisor. क्या लगता है बाजार, क्या ले ले, अच्छा ये ले ले, and we buy it. No friends, he do analysis. उन्होंने ये analysis जो किया है, जो इसमें 5 मिनट लगती है, he has done the analysis for decade. 5-5, 6-6 साल, 10-10 साल उन्होंने research किया है, then planning किया है, then he is now very much sure that 5 minutes can give him great investments. Now, would you like to know, should I go by one that what is his acquisition criteria? Would you like to see that? I didn't get any yeses. We have 92 people. Or should we just straight away go to mutual fund? एक बार वॉरेन बफेट की एक्विजिशन क्राइटेरिया समझनी है? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So friends, what he says large purchases. Okay. That means the operating profit should be greater than $75 million. कंपनी में सेल्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए. It should do higher sales. Demonstrated consistent earning power. That means there should be a profit growth. These two things are part of profit and loss statement. Then he says, this is very important point, business earning good return on equity and while employing little or no debt. Return on equity अच्छी होनी चाहिए और debt नहीं होनी चाहिए. इसके are you getting me, friends? So what are his 3 criteria, major criteria? Sales, profit growth, low debt and return on equity. Management in place, that he is not ready with any companies which doesn't have management, who doesn't have leader. Simple business, he does not understand too much of logic. So he says, I want simple business. And then comes an offering price, that if I'm getting something cheap, I'm going to buy it. So this, based on this simple fundamental analysis, is deciding stocks in less than a 5 minute, that to a 5 to 20 billion range, billion dollar range. So friends, isn't it interesting? और हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हम लोग को एनालिसिस में 3-3 दिन, 4-4 दिन, 5-5 दिन, I don't know, infinity, eternity, it will take too much. No friends, in fact, we have made a system where we can analyze a particular scheme on the basis of their holding within 30 seconds, 40 seconds, or maximum 1 minute. So let's start, friend. Let's start that journey where we can identify great mutual fund for investment for 2021 and make great return. Okay, friends. So let's start. So friends, first let me give brief about ourselves. So we are SEBI registered investment advisor, NSE and BSE registered stock broker, NSDL depository participants, AMFI registered mutual fund advisors, and portfolio manager. We are more than 20-year-old company incorporated as Dynamic Equities Private Limited in 1999 with the head office in Kolkata at Technopolis and branch office in Mumbai. With our experience and research, we have created Value Stocks app and website which is giving great knowledge and great return to genuine investor. So friend, this is our all effort which we have given on this app Value Stocks and website. We have right now 1200 plus paid customers. They are very happy with us, and because we are very confident of creating returns, and that is what a customer want, good return and knowledgeable return, and we are very confident in that. So our customers are very happy with us. And whose brainchild is Value Stocks? Mr. Saraf. Mr. Salish Saraf is a founder of Value Stocks app, has put his 25 years of research and experience in this app. Mr. Saraf is a popular financial advisor in India right now. He has 15,000 plus subscriber in YouTube channel. Day by day, that number is increasing. If you want to understand more on equity market, mutual fund market, you can actually go to this channel and can view his old videos. So friends, as I said you in the start of the video, those who have joined late, let me explain this once again, that हम लोगों को whenever we want to choose stocks, we should choose stocks on the basis of the holding, because एक equity stocks holding से ही बनती है, एक equity stocks holding से ही बनती है, stocks से ही बनती है. So it's become very important to analyze the stocks behind those companies, those schemes. Okay, friends. So I will just give you a small understanding. So friends, what we have done, हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, we as I showed you Warren Buffett parameters, in a similar way, what we have done, we have selected, we have given score to each and every company on the basis of 4 fundamental factors. Now, friends, what are those 4 fundamental factors? Those 4 fundamental factors are sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Now, why we have decided on these 4 factors? Okay, after reading lots and lots of books, and analyzing, I think the problem is in your end, Patel ji, please check it out. So yeah, repeating once again, we have come up with 4 fundamental factors which can create great return for genuine investors. What are these 4 fundamental factors? These 4 fundamental factors are return on equity, sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Friends, sales growth 3 statement, एक company जो होती है, those who are from finance background or those who are not from finance background, for them also to understand, एक company 3 statement release करती है, कोई भी company हो, Reliance हो, कोई भी हो. What are those 3 statements? एक होता है profit and loss statement, okay. Second is balance sheet, and the third is your cash flow statement. So वो लोग अगर ये तीनों स्टेटमेंट दे रही है तो इन्वेस्टर, और ये किसने किया है, ये सेबी ने, कॉर्पोरेट बॉडीज ने इसको क्रिएट किया है. दे हैव Patel ji, the problem is from your end. Yeah, you need to either you log off and log in, please. Okay. Yeah. So corporate bodies ने इनको बोला है कि you give customer 3 statement: profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flows. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we either see only profit and loss statement, or we see only balance sheet, or hardly people look at cash flows. ठीक है, but we need to see, because अगर profit and loss statement देखते देखते ही we get confused and so many data and everything, so it becomes very difficult. So friend, balance sheet तक जाएं, cash flow तक जाएं, then it's become difficult. So friends, अगर हम लोग ये जान ले, if we come to know that which are those parameters which we can use in all these statement, in all the 3 statement, अगर वो important parameters को हम लोग learn कर लें, जान लें कि इनसे हम लोग का काम हो जाएगा, which are the important parameters which will take care of 80% of our job of analysis, then it is true. Friends, I have lots and lots of video where all the financial gurus follows these simple parameters for analyzing stocks. Okay, sales growth, profit growth, return equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. So sales growth and profit growth is a part of profit and loss statement. Return on equity greater than 15 is a part of balance sheet, and free cash flow is a part of cash flow. अगर कोई कंपनी का सेल्स बढ़ रहा है, that means the product of that particular company is liked by genuine investor like us. अगर मुझे उसका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लग रहा है तो ही मैं बाय कर रहा हूँ, और मैं ज्यादा बाय कर रहा हूँ, मैं रेकमेंड कर रहा हूँ, आई एम लुकिंग एट एड्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आई एम बाइंग दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, और वो कंपनी का सेल्स ग्रोथ हो रहा है. ओके, that shows that company will continue to grow again and again if they are continuing with the sales growth, and people are liking it. Second is the management is so brilliant that out of his product they can take out profit. Friends, कोई भी business, why do any startup or any business fails? Sales तो कर देते, but they were not able to create profits. There were many startups who had huge sales because they have given lots and lots of free perks and everything. लोग चीजें खरीदते तो हैं, but because of so much of competition and everything, the business is not able to make profit. But agar out of every problem, if a particular company is making profit and are growing in profit, that means the management is a brilliant management. So that shows that one can invest in a company that has profit growth. And Warren Buffett also used profit growth. So it's become very important to analyze profit growth. Now, third is return on equity greater than 15. Friends, 10% we can get in debt while investing in जिसमें risk बहुत minimal है, maximum 1%, 1.5% risk है, and you can get 8, 9, 10% easily. While you are investing equity, you need at least 5% extra. So that is the logic behind taking 15% as return on equity. Then free cash flow. Many of you may not be knowing about free cash flow or have heard about free cash flow for the first time. So let me explain you free cash flow in this term. Say for example, I'm having a salary of 1 lakh rupees a month. Okay, it's a good salary, it's a decent salary one can have. And but what I do, I spend on my luxury, on my comfort, or buying I buy a new TV, I may say this is an investment or whatever the name I can give, and I buy all those things, depreciating assets जो depreciate होते रहते हैं साल भर दाल. I buy these things, and I spend 1,10,000 in a month. So friends, I would request you guys to tell me what is my savings. If I'm getting 1 lakh rupees as a salary and buying luxury or comfort, sofa set, this, blah, blah. So, and I'm spending 1,10,000, then what is my savings? Zero. And actually, last time in one of the webinar, one person has written 10,000 as liability. That's very correct. I found it a very correct answer. That yes, now I'm in liability of 10,000. Thank you, Nikhilji. So thank you everyone for responding. So friends, exactly this is what we are doing. So this is what Warren Buffett, इतने बुजुर्ग हैं वो, and that too with a great experience or successful person है. So this is one thing we all need to understand from him. कि free cash flow, yes, exactly, Ashok Terawal ji. Friends, ये issue होती है when you do not follow free cash flow positively. ठीक है? So you need to have a positive free cash flow. So friends, in a similar way, free cash flow is nothing. Free cash flow is nothing but a saving habit of an organization, of a company. So friends, sales growth, profit growth, positive free cash flow, and return equity greater than 15 makes a strong company, a quality company. If any company has these parameters, we call it as a quality company. Okay, friends. Now, we have 88 people right now. I would request if you can write, it would be, I will be very grateful to all of you if you can write these 4 parameters on chat. What will happen if you write these 4 parameters on chat? Yes, we'll be giving that also, sir. So, no, Girish, that is not possible if you to manipulate free cash flow. Okay, so friends, if you can write these 4 things, what I believe, I don't know, maybe this is my emotion, or whatever you can say, but what I believe, if you write, you have listened to me, if you write, it will stay in your mind as well as on your heart. ठीक है, तो जब भी आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे तो आप कम से कम ये 4 पैरामीटर देख लेंगे. So friends, it is for your benefit. If you can write these 4 parameters on chat, this will surely help you in your investment. So this is a biggest takeaway from webinar. Okay, we'll be discussing more thing. Yes, Kiranji, that is there. We are coming to mutual funds. Now we will be coming to mutual fund. पहले equity तो analyze करना है कि equity कैसे analysis करना है. I'm very grateful those who are writing. I have got answer from at least 15 people, 15 to 16 people. More people are writing. Sales growth, profit growth, positive free cash flow, and return on equity greater than 15. Friends, these 4 factors make a quality company. Now, अगर quality company हो तो returns कैसे बनते हैं? Returns are amazing. It's very high returns. You get multi-baggers from these 4 factors. 100, 150%, 200% के direct equity में investment बनते हैं. Thank you, Ashish Pal ji. So friends, ऐसे returns बनते हैं. Shyam Raghav ji, sorry for that, but please, it may be odd, but it is in huge favor of yours because we are learning. In fact, when we used to attend some of the webinar of financial gurus, international financial gurus, I used to attend them at 1 a.m. in midnight. So because for learning, you need to give that much of time. You need to find out the favor thing in your favor, odds in your favor. So friends, again repeating, sales growth, profit growth, sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Thank you, Nihar ji. People need to understand very, very important topics. These are very important topics, and these are very important part of life. In fact, I think the most happiest people in this pandemic are those who has some savings in their bank account. I was a happiest man in last 2 years because I had some of my savings in account. So friend, this is how. Now I didn't have this knowledge earlier. I was a person who used to get salary of 50,000-60,000 earlier and used to spend 70,000-80,000. Okay? And no, expense ratio and exit load doesn't matter. We will be talking that. But what happened after understanding these fundamental factors, I have used these few simple understanding in my life. ठीक है, मैं अब कोई भी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करता हूं जहां पे रिटर्न इक्विटी ग्रेटर देन 15 नहीं होती. एंड फॉर माई सेल्फ, I do not invest. I always try to save at least 30% of my salary in either through equity or mutual fund or in cash. बहुत जरूरी है friend. You never know when new form of thing can happen. However, we all pray to God that do not give us those problems. But okay, so maybe many people may be very unhappy because we are talking some emotional thing. But that is the part of life. So now coming back to mutual fund now. So we have discussed these 4 factors. ये 4 factors हम लोगों ने discuss कर लिए, which is very important to understand. Now friends, हम लोगों ने क्या किया? Now I will take you to how you can use these 4 factors for analyzing mutual fund. Just a second, let me log in. So friends, any good company you know, let me have one name of any particular equity stocks. Then I will explain you how we use that particular equity analysis on mutual fund. Parag Parekh is, okay, I'm talking about the stocks. So I've got one, Tata Elxsi. Okay, just a second. 30. Okay, I will take Tata Elxsi. Okay, so friends, what we have done, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया अभी कि we follow these 4 fundamental factors that we have analyzed from great gurus. So we name it as a quality business score. So हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, हर एक company, there are around 1600 plus NSE listed company. Every company, for every company we have given score. हम लोगों ने हर एक company के लिए score दे दिया है कि उनका score क्या है. Now we call it as a quality business score. Okay, now what is quality? QBS gives fundamental value of each stock. QBS provide track record of each stock for last 5 years. QBS gives stock which maximizes return and reduces risk. ठीक है, अब ये QBS है क्या? I am promoting QBS so much. Now what is this QBS? I think there are at least 30-40 people who have joined us earlier and who all are our customer and they love listening to us. We are taking some praise ourselves, but yes, they love listening to us and they are also there. So friends, they analyze stocks. Now they, not we, they analyze stocks in a minute. Let's see how they do it and how we have made this possible for them to analyze any particular stocks in a minute. So I'm taking Tata Elxsi. So if we click, so there is one point we have written, no quality business score of Tata Elxsi. Now, if you click on this, we have given score of 21 out of 22. So 21 out of 22, the maximum score can be 22. How did we came to 21 and 22? I will show you that. So friends, all the 4 factors, return on equity, free cash flow, sales growth, and EPS growth, you can consider EPS growth as a profit growth. So nobody asked me a query while I was talking कि sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, cash flow, कि सर देखना कितने साल के लिए है. Friends, अगर ये चारों फैक्टर अगर हम लोग 1 साल के लिए भी देख लें तो भी वो बहुत पावरफुल है. If you look these 4 factors for 1 year, I think from 1600 you will come down to 400 companies. Exactly, I remember that figure earlier when we used to analyze. So now if you look for 5 years, if you look for these 4 factors, you look for 5 years, then you can analyze how strong company you can come up with. How जो भी यहाँ पे business करते हैं, and for them I will ask query for, can we check for this? Yes. You need not to be a member. You can know the number and you can know what is the company quality. So you can check without being a member. Okay, friends. Now, so we are looking for 5 years. So think of it. Those out of 92 people, few of you may be a businessman over here. So unke liye, those who are businessmen and attending this webinar, if your sales is growing and your profit is growing from last 5 years, and if you have good business with good transaction value, I think you guys have become crorpatis. And aren't you? Anybody who is businessman in this group, who are businessmen and successfully growing their business every year? Anybody? We have 92 people. You may send me directly, huh? No issue if you want to hide. But it's a jokes apart. But if your sales is growing, you may be in any kind of business, grocery or any comfort, fan, medicine. So many of you, just a second. Okay. So, okay, nobody is responding, no issue. So friends, those who are from business, you think on that perspective that if your sales grows every year, then where you will be enjoying. You can multiply your business in a many way. In a similar way, those who are in salaried, I think most of you are maybe in salaries. So अगर आपके sales, आपका salary every year बढ़ रहा है, hardly only few companies give increment in salary, and you enjoy, your mind become very clear. Okay, now I have to give more to the company because company is helping me. So friends, अगर ये चीज है और हम लोग ये simple analysis, और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, who all do this, कि if your salaries are not increasing, you try to switch to other company. Anybody in the group? I have 92 people, 91 people. If you can respond, those who are in salaries, what you do if your salary is not increasing? Yes, Navneet ji. Yes, we try to switch for and what is the reason that we give? For better prospects. Yes. So friends, if the salary is not increasing in a similar way, why do not we exit in stock which is not growing in profit, which is not growing in sales? Have you ever thought this? It's a simple query we need to ask ourselves. Why we are not switching from a company which is not growing in salary, which is not growing in sales? Yes, yes. Find alternatives. Yes. Why do we switch? Because we know this is not only company that exists. There are hundreds and thousands of thousands of companies which is increasing salary, which is giving increment yearly. So let's go there. Okay. Maximum what you can do, you can give 6 months, 1 year maximum to look at, okay, now if the things are becoming better or not. But अगर growth नहीं हो रहा है sales में और profit में, so stocks में भी हमें switch करना है. Please friends, this is one understanding I want to give everyone कि आप लोगों को stocks में भी switch करना है. अगर कंपनी सेल्स और प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ नहीं कर रहा है और अगर बिजनेस ही खराब है, यस एग्जैक्टली, अगर बिजनेस ही खराब है, अगर रिटर्न इक्विटी नहीं है, तब तो बिजनेस में रह के फायदा ही नहीं है. फ्री कैश फ्लो ही नहीं है, मैनेजमेंट हर साल पैसे खर्च कर दे रहा है, तब तो एग्जिट करना है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ so this is the 21. So these 4 parameters for last 5 years. So remember friends, we have discussed these 4 parameters. So हम लोग 5 साल के लिए देखते हैं. So let's check Tata Elxsi last 5 साल क्या रहा. So sales growth was 15%. So because it was positive 15%, we have given 1 mark. EPS growth was 51% growth. We have given 1 mark. Because the free cash flow was positive, we have also given 1 mark. A return equity was greater than 15, we have given 1 mark. Sales growth, again positive, we have given 1 mark. So the total score for 16-17 becomes 4, and 17-18 becomes 4 because sales is positive, EPS growth is positive, free cash flow is positive, return equity is greater than 15. And again in 18-19, 4 marks. Only in 19-20, because there was a negative EPS growth, we have given 0 mark. So company एक बार इस साल खाली हल्का डामाडोल हुई थी, otherwise company was very good. And 2021 it got again 4 marks. And recently friends, जब भी एक साल is a very big period, so अगर और because in Indian context, in Indian financial market, Indian financial market, we were discussing Venkatji. In Indian financial market, we do get we do get quarterly results. So we get to know the financial condition of a particular company quarterly. So what we have done, we are also looking the latest quarterly sales growth and profit growth. So quarterly sales growth and profit growth is also positive. So it got 2 marks. So only 0 over here. So 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 3 is 15 plus 4 is 19. Then 2 is 21. So Tata Elxsi got score of 21. So this is how we have scored each and every company on its fundamental. And friends, I think all of you knows how Tata Elxsi has performed in last 3 or 4 years. It has been a great investment, those who have invested. So friend, this is how you get conviction on a particular company that, okay, let's sleep in peace, let's invest in these companies and sleep in peace because these stocks has great fundamental and I will generate huge return from these stocks. Okay, so now friends, let me come to mutual fund then. Okay, now what we have done now, अब हम लोग आ जाते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड में. So हम लोगों ने क्या किया, because it has a basket of 70-80 stocks. So what we do, let me show you that. So when you come to our app, so let me give you this link of this app so that if you want to do any analysis or if you want to learn something about the app, you can know that. So this is the link of our app. Now, no quality mutual fund. So if you click on fund category, okay, so there are 345 schemes right now in mutual fund. So friends, what do you think? So let me ask one simple query to everyone. How many mutual fund are you holding, friends? I have 93 people. आप लोग कितने म्यूचुअल फंड होल्ड कर रहे हैं? Okay, Pranay ji is holding 5. Dinesh ji is 5, 6, 7. So friends, how do you decide these 5, 7, 8 schemes out of 345? Do you know there are 345 equity schemes available in the market? Market में 345 scheme है, and you guys are investing in 8, 9, 10. Don't you find it difficult on the basis of performance? So please, Nikhil ji, Nikhil Shah ji, stop investing on the basis of performance. Start investing on the basis of the quality and the holdings of the company. I would request everyone, friends, अपने return को zoom करने के लिए, अपने returns को बढ़ाने के लिए, please start investing on the basis of start investing on the basis of quality. Please do not no more investment on the basis of performance, past performance. Since inception से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा sir. Please look at the fundamental holdings. उससे आपको management का behavior भी पता चल जाएगा कि how they are investing or not. 20 to 25 funds, Venkata ji. Oh my God, perplexed. That's true. So 345 funds. So friends, now I will show you how you can easily decide on schemes with value stocks. Kunal ji, we have already defined quality. I think you joined late. The quality is defined from 4 fundamental factors: sales growth, profit growth, EPS, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. MF distributors are investing in same fields. What is difference? Yeah, okay, no issue. We'll be showing you that. So 345 schemes are available. Now let us study for large cap. Okay, so friends, what we have done, हम लोगों ने, if we look at, let's take the highest QBS score of QBS score is for Axis Blue Chip. How did we came to that? So if you click on Axis Blue Chip, if you scroll down, if you click on holdings of Axis Blue Chip, you can see Axis Blue Chip has invested. No, it should not be, you need to check the QBS score of that fund RSG. Okay, so now Axis Blue Chip has investment of 9.36% in Infosys. Friend, that is why Axis Blue Chip was top performer when markets were falling, because it has investment in top quality companies. 9.36%. So friend, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? You can see there are so many stocks which Axis Blue Chip is holding. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं? As per their holding weight, we calculate the QBS score of Infosys. So right now the QBS score of Axis mutual fund is 16.24. It is highest in the large cap category. That means अगर आप इस स्कीम में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, then you will be safer side because the quality is very good in this company. The quality is yes, the QBS, and somebody is asking what is the frequency of changing QBS, because in mutual fund एक इक्विटी का QBS चेंज होता है whenever their quarterly results come. जब भी उनका quarterly results आते हैं तब उसका QBS चेंज होता है. In mutual fund we analyze every month. We analyze QBS every month of a company because we get holdings of mutual fund every month. ठीक है? तो generally because there are not too much changes in holding, so the QBS remain, so Axis Blue Chip may remain very high most of the time. Now, second thing, friends. Now this is QBS. Let me ask one more query to everyone. What is the quality of ITC? What do you think, friend? अगर मैं ITC की बात करूं, what is the quality of ITC? Yes, Navneet ji has given yes. No, it's greater than 15. Let me show you. The quality of ITC is very good. It has QBS score of, more than 18. Let me show you that. It has QBS score of 20. It's a great stock, friend. But there is a big but associated with ITC. It's an excellent stock, but a general investor may not have good return from ITC. क्यों? ITC में momentum नहीं है. The price of ITC is not going up. Listen this very carefully, friend. एक company, ठीक है, not much increase. That's true. So एक company quality में अच्छी हो सकती है, लेकिन momentum में weak हो सकती है. A company may be very good in quality, but in return it may not be good. So friends, so it's become very important to look at those companies, to find those companies जो quality में भी अच्छी हो और movement भी अच्छी देती हो. Yes, exactly, Pranay ji. There is no point holding such companies. That is what I want to explain. So, friends, and now let me tell you this. This has not come from us. This has come from, because when we are giving this webinars and learning from last 2 years, we have been exposed to public. We are continuously coming on public platforms. Okay, so what this was a big query which we used to get from customers who used to ask us कि sir, ITC stocks तो बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन बढ़ती नहीं. Then we thought that let's do analysis that कि अगर हम लोग ये stocks हटा ही दें, quality रखें plus momentum भी रखें, then what? Then we did wonder. Our return increased. So there are out of 100 companies, out of 100 quality companies, there are 12 companies. In fact, there were only 12-13 companies that were good in quality, but return were not going up. So we thought, let's remove those companies from analysis. So similarly, what we did, so we call it as a alpha gender score. Now, what is alpha gender score? Yes, AGS, alpha gender score, AGS. Okay, we call it as a alpha gender score. Now, what is alpha gender score? Alpha gender score is analysis which check the performance of a stock or a scheme in comparison to its benchmark. मैं वापस से इसको रिपीट करता हूं. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बेंचमार्क के साथ उस स्कीम का, उस स्टॉक का एनालिसिस करते हैं कि वो कैसा परफॉर्मेंस कर रहा है. So I will show you with respect to ITC. So no alpha gender score of ITC. If you click there, so in last 20 quarter it has got 8. Now what is 20? What is 8? 20 is the total quarter we are looking for. 20 क्वार्टर में 8 ही बार ये बेंचमार्क को बीट कर पाया. Now look at, so 2015 में हम लोग ने एक क्वार्टर लिया 2016 फरवरी से लेकर के 2016 मई तक का. बेंचमार्क बढ़ा 13%, ये बढ़ा 15%, तो हम लोगों ने इसको 1 मार्क दे दिया. बेंचमार्क वाज निफ्टी एंड स्टॉक रिटर्न, ITC रिटर्न वाज 15%, so we gave it 1 mark. Again in May till August, benchmark rose 6%, it rose 8%, we gave it 1 mark. Again in August, November, 3 months, benchmark fell by 6.5, it fell by more, little bit more, so we gave it 0 mark. Then again 1 mark. Now what happened, अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ से, if you look at from here, from 2019 यहाँ तक तो फिर भी the company was good, but from 2019 what happened, benchmark was 11%, but the return of the stock was 0.55. Benchmark fell 7%, it fell 10%. Benchmark rose 7%, it didn't rose. Benchmark rose by, and it was negative. Benchmark was negative, it was less negative, so gave it 1. Benchmark was positive, it was down by 6%. Nifty was 10% positive, it rose by 2%. 20%, 16%. So which shows that the current performance of ITC is not good. It may be the benchmark it decide on the basis of the market cap. Okay, if the market cap is, if it is in top 100 companies, it is Nifty 50. From 101 to 250 is mid cap. Yes. So friends, आप देख सकते हैं, this is how we decide on alpha gender score. So similarly for mutual fund also, what we did, we analyzed alpha gender score. So Axis Blue Chip having very great quality, but AGS is 5/10. Am I getting something? तो हम लोगों ने क्या देखा कि if we select QBS score of scheme greater than 15, and if we can get greater alpha gender score, greater AGS, so out of 10 quarter for schemes, for mutual fund we are checking 10 quarter, last 10 quarter performance. So Kotak Blue Chip looks us great because it is in top 5-6 category of QBS, quality में top 5 है, और AGS भी उसका बहुत strong. So this is how we decide on mutual fund investment. So friends, मैंने आपका ट्रेडिशनल एनालिसिस भी नहीं छोड़ा. So friends, आप अपना रिटर्न भी एनालिसिस करना जरूरी है. So friends, return analysis is also important, but quality which was a big missing in your analysis. Okay, yes, it is also good, no issue. Canara Robeco is also very good. Yes, you can see this in Canara Robeco. Canara Robeco is 15 and above, so it's good, and has 7 out of 10 AGS. So this makes it good company to invest in. Any mutual fund scheme, okay, having QBS more than 15 is good, and if you add AGS with it, you make a great investment. Any query, friends? QBS is a combination of profit growth, sales growth, return on equity, and positive free cash flow for last 5 years. Return on equity, cash flow greater than positive cash flow, sales growth, positive growth in profit makes QBS, and AGS is comparing a return of a scheme to its benchmark from last 10 quarter. Comparing, I think we have not added yet. We will be adding those that how do we calculate AGS. Okay, we will add the AGS detail also. So friends, last 10 quarter में benchmark के संग कैसा performance था कुछ scheme का. So if you see Kotak last 10 quarter में 7 बार benchmark को beat किया. That means जो stocks हैं वो quality में लाजवाब हैं और return देने में तो ultimate है. So the manager is a great manager. Who is the manager of Kotak Blue Chip? Kotak Blue Chip manager is fund manager. Let me check. Who is that great guy? Fund manager was there. We don't have over here. I think somewhere else we have it. Or if somebody has responded. Okay, Nilesh Shah ji. Yes. Okay, yeah, Kotak is Nilesh Shah. That's true. So friends, would you like to see video of Nilesh Shah, the person behind this strategy? Would you like to see? Yes, we have benchmark with respect to all mutual fund. Would you like to see video of Nilesh Shah talking about, because this we have got this the great fund of Nilesh Shah. If I do not get 10-15 yeses, I'm not going to show you, friends. I've got 2 yeses till now. 3, 4, 5, only 5. Because we are making it on holdings. Yes, of course. So see, क्यों ये इस fund बहुत लाजवाब है, बहुत super return दे रहा है, quality है. Let's listen from the greatest mind. I'm very lucky. I'm showing you this video, and I'm also listening to this video again. Just a second, friend. You are going to listen to a greatest video. It's an ultimate video.
Answer is yes. And they did governance. Right. On the other hand, many subsequent InvITs and REITs have created tremendous value for investors. So don't invest for this.
They are coming your way, so you have to quickly answer.
Friends, please request, you have listened to me, but now you are going to listen to a ultimate person. 30-second video. मैं बोलूंगा 1000 साल का नॉलेज है. ये 30 सेकंड का वीडियो जो मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूं, इसमें करोड़ों साल का नॉलेज है. Please listen this. Make the mantra of your investment through this 30 seconds. So here we go.
Your mind. Couple of questions. Here's the first one. What would you say has been your biggest lesson in the stock market?
Buy quality, quality, and quality.
Okay, the most important filter, Nilesh, while selecting a stock?
Governance.
Okay, a key ratio, any financial metric that is your go-to ratio while you're selecting a stock company?
Company should earn more than the cost of capital reflected in return on capital employed, and it should generate free cash flow.
The best stock pick of your career?
Have you heard that? I have paused purposely. So he looks at return on capital employed. We can use return on equity. There is no issue. It's almost the same, and positive free cash flow. Friends, so this is the greatest understanding that one can have. So there's no wonder why this particular scheme is performing. Okay, out of so this has been, I think, what is the return? This return is 59, almost similar to the highest return. You are investing in quality and you are getting super return in large cap category, 60% return. Okay, friends, did you like the video? Did you like the video? Am I was exaggerating, or I was clear in that yes, this is an ultimate learning one can have. He said by quality, 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 nothing else. And how do we decide quality? What glimpse में बताया? Return on capital employed and positive free cash flow. Yes, Pranay ji, it was a great word. So friend, that is why his fund is so popular and has been giving such a great return, and has been and is great in so it has good quality, but it's lack. So they are investing in ITC kind of company which doesn't have great momentum. So you need to have a company, you need to invest in a company which has quality as well as momentum. ठीक है? So quality होगा तो क्या होगा? We will have peaceful sleep. और momentum होगा तो क्या होगा? जब market खुलेगा तो we will be highly excited that yes, I will be on front. ठीक है? Yeah, because Anil ji, what happened? It has performed. It is not given than Kotak 53%. It is behind Kotak 53 है. But हाँ, हो सकता है ये recently perform करना शुरू किया. Yes. So, so friends, now let me open my PPT again. What we have for you. So friends, so out of 345 schemes, there are only 45 schemes which has good quality. जिसका QBS superb है. Okay, above 16, 17, sorry, above 15 है. ठीक है, 15, 15.5 है. And so friends, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? आप लोगों ने, you select 7-8 stocks by looking at performance and all, and we invest in poor companies, poor fundamental schemes, और 7-7, 8-8 scheme हम लोग invest कर सकते हैं. So खाली out of 345, there are only 45 scheme has good quality, और 45 schemes में only 25 has good return. ठीक है? Only 25 had good return. और उसके अंदर अगर आपको choose करना हो best, then that becomes real research, trustworthy research, and can create great return to you. Okay, so that is what analysis we do for you. Now, let me show you once. So, acha friends, let me give you a brief of how do we started this research. So, this research had started in 2007 with 10 people, and I was part of that research. Mr. Saraf was leading this team, and he has given his 25 years of experience in this. Okay, so he had made this combination of technology and financial experts who can create huge returns. And so that is why we are very confident that we can create great return for the investors, because we have the logic, we have the understanding, we have belief, and we have created something which will help, simple tool which can help general investor to understand. Friend, अगर हम लोगों को अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो तो इन्वेस्टमेंट हम लोग कर देते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपसे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो तो दैट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस. सो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इन्वेस्टमेंट ऐसा हो जो सेंसिबल भी हो. सो वी आर नॉट ओनली एडवाइजिंग यू, बट वी आर ऑल्सो मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड आवर एडवाइस. Okay, And the purpose of the research was to empower retail investors with relevant data and fundamentals of the company. This will help customers to invest in quality companies and quality mutual fund schemes. For those investors who cannot give time to market, we have created strategies. So जिन लोगों के पास I hope few people would be in difficulty कि ये सब भी analysis करने में time लगे, ठीक है? तो for them we have created strategies, and which the strategies which we call it as a artificial intelligence. We have used lots and lots of coding, Python, R, SQL. The experts are there, technologically expert, who listen to us, and they feed our parameters, our data on their machine, and we get the output that ये return कैसा create होगा. अगर मैं ये लॉजिक से इन्वेस्टमेंट करूं तो मेरे 5 साल बाद में रिटर्न कैसा होगा. सो हम लोगों ने आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के थ्रू वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि अगर मैं इस स्कीम्स में ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस पैरामीटर अगर मैं आज मैं इन्वेस्ट करता हूं तो 5 साल बाद में रिटर्न कैसा होगा. तो वी हैव क्रिएटेड दैट टूल फॉर यू गाइस. सो लेट मी शो यू दैट आल्सो. सो दिस इज आवर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस टेस्टेड स्कीम्स. So if you come to website Get Quality Mutual Fund, so what we have created all schemes like large cap QBS. If you look at large cap QBS, so just a second. I need to hide the schemes which we have recommended. Because that would not be a justice with our customers. So friends, हम लोगों ने क्या क्या पैरामीटर यूज किया है? We have used QBS. We have used QBS for the current month. So हम लोगों ने top 5 QBS companies ले ली. We have taken top 5 QBS companies for current month and for last month's top 6. और return उनका होना चाहिए last 12 month में. They should be in top 15. So friends, do you know how many schemes are there in large cap? In large cap there are 32 schemes. So हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Return performance उनका ले रहे हैं, rank ले रहे हैं for last 12 months. Okay, so just a second. So ये करके हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing? We are taking out schemes. So you can see earlier we have given Axis Blue Chip, which has came 23 times, and this has been the top performance scheme every month on month. So friends who all are investing SIP, those who all are investing in lump sum, for them they can get some great mutual fund scheme name which will do well in next 1 year. So we are very confident on giving some great mutual funds schemes name to you guys which will perform superbly in next 1 year. Okay, and every month you can update that whether this scheme continues to do well or now they are little bit aloof. So you can check that also. So you will be updated every month that okay, whether this scheme continues or its scheme has lost its quality or momentum. If it has lost, so let's not invest furthermore in this scheme. Let's invest in new scheme which Value Stocks is recommending. So friends, as you know, there are 11 categories. So we have created for 8 categories. We have created these schemes. So we have for multi-cap, we have for ELSS, those who want to save for ELSS. So friends, इसके थ्रू ये आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के थ्रू हम लोगों को ये पैरामीटर्स पता चले हैं, और अगर आप इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं देन योर रिटर्न वुड बी हायर फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 year, एंड यू मे इन्वेस्ट इन द इन्वेस्टमेंट विल स्टे इन टॉप 5. द चांसेस आर वेरी हाई दैट योर इन्वेस्टमेंट विल स्टे इन टॉप 5 परफॉर्मिंग म्यूचुअल फंड schemes. So we have for flexi cap, we have for focus, we have for ELSS, we have for multi-cap, we have for large cap, we have for small cap, mid cap, large cap, and we also have for debt funds. So those who want to invest in quality debt funds, because we don't have much time to explain you on debt fund. So we have also made a strategy on debt fund. What we do, we study the paper of debt funds, whether they're investing in high quality paper or not, AAA paper or not. If they are investing in AAA high quality paper, we are investing in that debt fund. We are recommending that debt funds. So उससे क्या होगा, आपके returns जो हैं वो अच्छे आएंगे in debt funds. So this is our we proudly say we are giving 9.5% return annually with the help of our MF scheme. Are you showing? No, we are not showing any 5 winning schemes. We are showing 5 top quality with higher momentum schemes, जिसपे हम लोग confident हैं कि वो top 5 में रहेंगे next year. Friends, let me explain this once again. हम लोग जो recommend करते हैं, we are so confident, we are very confident because we have done this testing and analysis and people are making returns, profits. So which are there, you will get to know next year only. You need to invest. So you need to buy these strategies. So we have now, because yeah, you will not be able to see our recommendation because recommendation is only for the paid clients. So recommendation is only for the paid clients. Just a second, friends. So what we are offering this is the value of all. There are 8 schemes. So 8 schemes has 16 schemes. Okay, 8 categories. Sorry, there are 8 categories in equity and 1 debt category. So what we are providing you, वो 8 category के schemes. There are 16 schemes we are providing. The name of 16 schemes we are providing. Okay, and these 16 schemes will give huge return in next year. So those who want to invest in great mutual fund schemes, they can join us. And the price is 35,000 for those 16 schemes, advice of those 16 schemes. But because we are running a offer, we are providing those schemes for 15,000. Okay, we are providing the name of those schemes for 15,000, and we'll keep on giving you analysis till 6 months. Okay, हर महीने आपको बताते रहेंगे कि कौन सा स्कीम बेटर रह रहा है, whether जो आपका स्कीम है वो कंटिन्यू करिए आप उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट और नॉट, या अब नया स्कीम कुछ आ गया है जिसमें if you invest you will get more returns. So you don't need to stop that, you don't need to exit those schemes. You can continue with those schemes which you have already invested in, but now you can invest your fresh money in new schemes which has higher chance to return in future. So we have tested all these analysis on Python, on R, on SQL, and has come up with the schemes. So this is the best way of investing, friend. और इसके अंदर आपको quality, you will always be with the quality mutual funds, and you will always be with the momentum, always be with the mutual funds which are also rising and has quality. So the offer is for 15,000. Yeah, RSG, if you want to analyze, if you want to understand, then I would request you to please join our free one-to-one webinar. I will give you the link of free one-to-one webinar. So these are the details you can see, look at. So the one I was saying, it is worth rupees 35,000, and right now we are offering flat discount of 56%, and we are giving this for 15,000. All the MF strategies we are providing this for 15,000, and the offer stays for till 21st to 22nd of May. Moreover, friends, this is a one-to-one link. अगर आपको कुछ और डिटेल में समझना है, because I know, yeah, if you want to understand something more in detail, so I have sent you one-to-one link. यहाँ पे आप अपना नंबर, ईमेल आईडी, मोबाइल नंबर, आपके करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है, और आप अपना 1 घंटे का स्लॉट बुक कर सकते हैं, जहां पे आपको आपके स्कीम्स के बारे में, आप कुछ स्कीम्स होल्ड भी कर रहे हैं, वो स्कीम्स कैसे हैं, वेदर यू शुड कंटिन्यू और नॉट, वो भी बताएंगे. ओनली फॉर 5 schemes. So my friend, my colleague will explain you about whether you are buying those schemes, whether those schemes are great or not. So you can check that. So आपका analysis भी हो जाएगा आपके जो current holdings है उसका, and you can also avail this offer, and after 22nd May you will not get this. On 21st, Mr. Saraf would be taking a one-to-one webinar, okay, for customers. So you will be, because if you look at, if you take one-to-one webinar, then you can also attend that Mr. Saraf's webinar, where he will be explaining you more details on mutual funds. What is the behavior? How can you study analysis on mutual fund managers and everything? Okay, friend. So this is the thing. So it's your time to invest in quality mutual funds and make great return in your portfolio. So I hope you guys will join one-to-one, and subscription will valid for 6 months. And for further detail, I would request, because yeah, they can explain you, the colleague of my colleague who are looking at the products and all, so they can explain you further. So would request you guys to join one-to-one. I have already sent the link. I'm again sending that link to you guys. You can book your free slots. So there will be no cost till you meet Mr. Saraf. There is no cost involved. You can only learn. And if you find that now it's time to earn, then you can subscribe to Value Stocks. So there is no force, there is no kind of marketing, but yes, we want everyone to be in quality and invest quality. So ये हम लोगों की चाहत है कि आप लोग quality में invest करें. As Nilesh Shah ji has said, quality. So this is what we want to our customer, to invest in quality and quality. So uske liye you need to pay something and you need to enjoy your return. Okay, but if you are learning, then yes, we are always open. You can learn many times, and when you decide you want to earn, you can then subscribe with us. Okay, friends, hope you like the session. The tool will remain with you for 1 year. Please, Kunal Kumar ji, there are lots of queries, so that is the reason we have created this one-to-one session. जहाँ पे अगर किसी को one-to-one session के अलावा भी, if you want to call us, you can call us at this number. I'm sending the phone number. Okay, and anybody who want call today, if you are free today, so you can provide your number directly to me, so that we can call you directly. Anybody who is free today and want call today, I don't know whether we have given training to schedule for today or not. So अगर आपको आज कॉल चाहिए तो आप डायरेक्टली अपना नंबर मुझे दे दें, then I will transfer this to product team, and they can call you and will explain you about the product. Okay, friends, I hope you liked the session. It was knowledgeable, because yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you Nikhil ji for your valuable feedback. Thank you Atish ji for your valuable feedback. Thank you. Thank you Ashish Pal ji. We'll ask someone to call you, so that if you have any query. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Hope you invest in quality mutual fund, quality stocks, and can enjoy great return. Thank you Aditya Ravali. Thank you. Okay friends, bye bye.